Hey guys, Shinking here, and welcome to Two Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons, where we are playing as two boys trying to save their father, which his controls are weird as crap. I already played it. Let's go. Hey, little brother. Kind of made the wrong turns and decisions. This game is weird. Okay, turn. Okay, turn this way. Turn that way. And then we go that way. See if we can go this way. Alright, just shortcut it. That'll be the first 20 minutes into this game. Okay, we gotta go down here. I realize we gotta go down here. Why are we going down here? Then because they're not doing anything. Are you somebody we had to talk to? The last time I did wrong. I can't freaking see the brothers. Wait, what the fuck is this game? This game's like really calm, cool, relaxing. But, fuck. But are you somebody we need to talk to? No. You're just blocking our way. Because I went this way before. It's a bad way. I make like a wrong turn or something. That dog will kill us. YOLO. Right, let's see if the older brother distract the dog, get up. Distract the dog, get up. And distract the murderous dog, get the hell up. Okay, since he has more of a chance to make it, go. Now where the fuck I go? I'm just gonna do this one at a time. Because the dog is really, really stupid. Go. Okay. How? What do I do? Okay, I'm going back. Fuck this. Fuck this dog. Yellow brother. Right, okay, no. Get on. What do I do? Like, I am so confused at this part. Okay, just get on this. Oh, I think I know where I go. Okay, older brother. You are yellow. You are in yellow mode. We've got go. Okay, I think I know where to go. Okay, never mind. Nope, we're dead. We are so dead. Older brother, since you're faster, go. Younger brother, go. Okay, I don't know what to do. Older brother, go. What do I do? Because I can't, like... No, I killed that dog before. If you don't want to die from that dog again. No. I was too fat, I am too skinny to die from that dog. What the hell do I do? What do I do? Shit. Right, now, older brother, go. Younger brother, get the dog tired, I guess? I don't know. Go. And then go. And then you guys just go back. Go this way. No, so we just can't. Oh, there's an extra path. Okay. No, you're the same guy we saw. This just blocks out the whole game. This doesn't tell me where to go. Just tells me nothing. Oh. Oh. No, I went this way before. Okay. Younger brother, get back up here. What do? Do I go back? No. Yeah, I think I go back. I think the game put me in the wrong area. Because I never saw your ass. This game's a brain teaser. Can't apparently the game put me in the right way. Hey, you younger brother, catch up. Oh, I can go this way. I think I just go this way. No, this is the way I just went. And got wrecked. Jeez, that was really creepy. That was my freaking. Okay, go up there. Oh, what do we do with the dog? Okay, no, you. Youngie. You, brother, go, 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 go. You, brother, go. The shit, the dog, the shit, the dog, the shit, the dog, the shit, the dog. Where do I go? Where do I go? Let's see if I can do this right. What do I do? You guys are probably screaming at me that I've played this game before. Shite. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Didn't feel like 20 minutes. I can't go anywhere else. So, I guess that's it. Like, subscribe. Bye.